have a great idea. Let's add an extra $60,000 to over $100,000 to your real estate business this year with under 5 hours worth of work per week. But you have to be brave. Check this out. Hey everybody, it is Brent Daniels, Mr. TTP, and what I'm talking about in this video is adding an extra $60,000 to over $100,000 to your business for free. And the only way to do that is to build up your referral network. In this video, I'm talking about building up your referral network with real estate agents.
Oh no, Brent.
That's so scary. They're so professional and they have those headshots and they look beautiful and they've gone to class and they know all the terms and they've got these big elaborate contracts. Stop it. Remember, the best real estate agents in your market want to put together deals. And every so often, they run across really ugly properties. Guess what? They need somebody to sell those to. If they put those ugly properties on the market, it's a feeding frenzy. They have to do so much more work. They would rather work with preferred cash buyers in their market that can get the deal done and that they can earn the most amount of commission from that deal. Okay, so I'm gonna show you exactly how to communicate with real estate agents, but first, I'm going to show you how you can find the best ones in your market that are going to communicate with you and that already work with investors. So let's jump in my computer here, okay? Right here you can see I am on the main page of Zillow. This is super easy. Right here it has this button, Agent Finder, okay? I want you to go to Real Estate Agents. Now this is really important. I want you to put in your zip codes, okay? Neighborhoods or cities, it might be a little bit too big. I like getting a little bit more niche. Now, some neighborhoods are pretty big and pretty popular. You can certainly go with that, but I think zip codes are the perfect size to be able to find the best agents that are gonna work with you, okay? So I'm gonna just put in here a zip code here in Phoenix. And I'm gonna go to advanced here. I'm gonna go to specialties and I'm gonna go for foreclosures. Okay, if they understand foreclosures, they typically work with investors in this area. This is phenomenal. Look at this. Look at all these real estate agents that say that they work with investors or work with foreclosures, so they're going to be able to speak your language. I'm gonna go with Trevor here because I actually know Trevor. And by the way, there's over 25 pages of agents here. What you want to do is click on the actual agent here and then scroll down and look for their cell phone number. Their cell phone. I don't want to go to the broker phone because that's just going to go to the office. I want to reach out directly to Trevor here and start a conversation. And what I want you to do is I want you to text this exact text to him, okay? I want you to say, Trevor, I want you to put in his name. Don't get lazy. Don't just put hello or hi or whatever. Say Trevor, his actual name. I found you on Zillow. My name is Brent Daniels. Put in your first and last name so that you're a real person. They think that you're a real buyer because you are a real buyer. I am a real estate investor looking to buy in that zip code, that specific zip code. Just put that in there. Can I call you to discuss? It is absolutely critical that you get on the phone with these real estate agents. I'll tell you this. If it's just a text relationship, they're not going to take you seriously. So when you call up the real estate agents, you need to have a conversation that goes like, hey, listen, Trevor, I know that you don't know me, but I'm looking to buy in 85016. I am a cash buyer. I buy completely as is. You can keep all your commissions. I'm looking to buy multiple properties this year. What do you have for me that needs some love? What do you have that is totally destroyed? I'm looking for a project house. I'm looking for something that needs complete renovation. What do you have for me? And just be quiet. And if they don't have anything right now, just keep following up with them. And the goal is this. I want you to have conversations and build a list. I don't care if it's a pad of paper. I don't care if it's in Excel. I don't care if it's in Google Sheets or whatever. However you want to organize it, I want you to get 200 real estate agents that you text on a weekly basis and just simply say, and listen, you can divide it up. It's 40 texts a day just to real estate agents that says, hey, listen, what do you have for me? Do you have any ugly houses for me right now? Switch it up each week so that it's fresh, so it doesn't seem like you're just copy and pasting it every single time. You know, do you have any investment properties? Tell them what you're looking for, okay? You're looking for ugly houses. That's what you're looking for. You want to build that. You want to be the first person they think of when they run across an ugly house, or somebody calls them and says, hey, I got to get rid of my aunt's house. It's a hoarder house. I don't know what to do with it. They say, I've got a guy. I've got a gal. I've got it all covered. They call you, they text you, and I am telling you, if you get 200 real estate agents that are responding to you, and what I want you to do is literally, I'm serious, text them every single week, maybe every 2 weeks, and just see what they have. It's just to keep the relationship fresh. It's to keep them understanding. It's to put you top of their mind when they're thinking of what they're gonna do with these investment properties. I'm telling you, if you get 200, you're gonna add at least a deal a month. You can literally just do this and add a deal a month, and it doesn't take that much time. It takes less than 5 hours a week to be able to text and call up new people, add them to your database, your referral database of real estate agents that are sending you opportunities. Listen to me, this costs nothing. It costs absolutely nothing to be able to do this. It is unbelievable. And as you progress in your wholesaling business, referrals are going to get more important for your business, because you become the guy, you become the gal in your market that people bring these deals to. These are free deals. This income goes down to your bottom line as pure profit, and that's what I want from you. That's what I want for you. Let's say you're in a market where the properties are less expensive and your average is $5,000 a deal. Well, if you add 12 deals, if you're getting one deal a month minimum, you're gonna add $60,000 to your bottom line this year. I am telling you, talking to people doesn't mean that we just talk to distressed property owners, because sometimes distressed property owners are represented by somebody else. A lot of times it's real estate agents that want to make a deal. They want to make these sales fast. They want them smooth. They want to make sure that everything is just like flowing really fast, and they don't have to do a lot of work. It's the truth. They don't want to do a lot of work. They want to sell these ugly properties as easy as possible, and you are the one that is going to help them out. So here is the instruction. Go into Zillow. Text exactly what I told you to text to 200 real estate agents. Get the responses. You're not going to get all of them, but add it. Keep going until you have 200 real estate agents that you are texting on a weekly or every 2-week basis and asking them to send you opportunities so that you can buy those properties. I am telling you, it will work. It works every time. The thing about working with real estate agents is you can get multiple deals a year from just one agent. Imagine having 200 agents sending you opportunities. I am telling you, this is the way to add 60,000 to over 6 figures. I mean, imagine if you're in a market where you average $10,000 a deal. We average over $25,000 a deal. It is a no-brainer. You have to build up your referral network. It is part of talking to people. You need to implement it into your business right now. I am telling you, this might sound like a lot. Oh my gosh, Brent, I've got to text real estate agents from my phone. Can't I automate it? Don't do it. I'm telling you, it needs to come from your cell phone. It needs to sound authentic, because real estate agents will sniff out if they think it's something spammy, if they think it's something that's just generically set up and automatic. The best agents will not work with you. Maybe the naive ones, or maybe the ones that are new to it, but the experienced ones, you need to treat with the respect that they deserve, and you need to reach out to them personally by just texting and starting that conversation, getting on the phone, and opening up the floodgates to getting referrals every single year. I'm telling you, it is absolutely powerful. It's absolutely incredible. Start doing it today. And if you're interested in joining the most proactive group in real estate investing, it is the TTP family. It is the TTP program. Go to wholesalinginc.com/TTP. Check it out. If it feels good in your gut, sign up for a call. I look forward to working with you personally. See ya.